frantic search for survivors goes on round the clock following Nepal's biggest earthquake in 80 years. The injured were brought to hospitals in trucks and on rickshaws. The hospitals are so inundated though, they're running out of space. Amateur video captured the moment the earthquake struck and the ensuing panic.
The ground shook quite hard for, I would say, possibly about 30 seconds. Looking around, I happened to be outdoors at the time. Trees were waving like crazy, like it was a hurricane or something like that.
The capital, Kathmandu, is an ancient city with a rich cultural heritage, much of it now in ruins. The 19th century Darara Tower, built by Nepalese royalty. And this is what's left, a World Heritage Site where teams now look for bodies.
Blocked by landslides, so there's no way to get there. So first an assessment and rescue.
In another rescue operation, the first helicopter arrived at Mount Everest Base Camp, where climbers and guides were killed after the quake triggered an avalanche. As rescuers raced to find survivors, a major international aid effort has been prepared. Britain, the United States and Pakistan among the countries sending in teams to help. With the number of dead rising, it's clear that help is needed fast.
Today's quake triggered this landslide, captured on video by Canadian Red Cross.